Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you're doing well. I hope you had a good week so far, and today I have something funky. Let's put it this way. I wanted to introduce to you some easy peasy cocktails just to make at home, and with the Easter coming, I think it's a good solution to crack this spring party going on. Okay, today we're doing my version of the Ghostbusters cocktail. Now, I don't know where it's originated from or if actually ever it's created officially. There is a few different versions going online and when you're looking for it, but I did my own version over 2 years ago, and since then it's been very good. Whatever I serve it, people enjoy it, really like it, how easy it is, how light and refreshing it is. So I stick with my version. So before anybody say, oh, that's not the one which you should making, just so you know, this is my version. That's how I like it. It's up to you if you want to make it this way or if you're gonna like it. I hope you do. So without further ado and without upsetting the ghosts, let's start making it. Okay, first things first, you need the shaker and the ingredients. Obviously today we're using Absolut Vodka, we're using Boss Blue Curacao, and we're using melon, Midori melon. So orange juice and pineapple juice. That's all it is. Very simple, summery spring vibe cocktail. You should stop right now. Okay, it's annoying. Thank you. Apologize for my ghost friends here, but you know, behavior. They never behave like they're supposed to do. Let's start making the cocktail. So first of all, we need 45 ml or an ounce and a half of vanilla vodka. Then we go with the Midori melon, which is gonna be 30 ml. So we're kind of keeping the level pretty much the same as the vodka, but a little bit down. Anyway, it's a low ABV, so not a big deal. So 30 ml of the Midori melon. And this way is gonna come the green color, obviously, for the cocktail. And just to boost this color a little bit and introduce a little bit of kind of orangey flavor, we're gonna use a blue curacao, just 10 ml, just a little bit to boost this color inside of the green. And this is it. We're done with the spirits, with the liqueurs and everything. Now it's time for our juices. Okay, we have freshly squeezed orange. Of course, you can use orange from the box, depends how you feel about it. I'm gonna get my other measure because I need 60 ml, which is 2 ounces of freshly squeezed orange, or just get a good orange juice and use it. Right, and finally, a pineapple juice again. As always, I mentioned, try to get the best juice. This one is made from 100% pure juice pressed from 6 super sweet pineapples. Fantastic, can't go wrong with that. There you go, 60 ml. So it's equal measures, the juices. That's all it is. And we're pretty much done, apart from we gotta have to little shake the cocktail. Drop some ice in your shaker. Not too much, just a quick dilution and to mix the drinks, and give it a good shake. Wonderful. You're gonna get this nice froth from the pineapple juice, if it's a cold press or a good juice, obviously. And we're gonna serve this in a Sling Glass. I mean, use whatever glass you want, but I really like the Sling Glass. It's look really nice and pretty. And gonna fill that up with kind of a halfway crushed ice. I don't want too much ice in it, not yet. You can always add some ice after, but for now we're just gonna stick halfway through. Okay, give it a strain, and there we have it, my version of the Ghostbusters with a lovely froth from the pineapple juice. But we're not finished yet. Garnish, you know this jelly monster in the Ghostbusters, it's kind of a greeny with a very pretty red eyes. I said stop it. I'm trying to record video here. Okay, thank you. I'll have a word after with them. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna use Maraschino Cherries, and we're gonna find two if nobody eat them and it's just the sauce inside. No, there we go, one. And one more. Where is he? I have a few more jars of this, but I want to finish this one before I open the other one. There you go. They're not very even, but they'll do the job. So we're gonna put the two. Oh, that's so wonderful. We're gonna put the two red eyes of the monster on the top and serving with. Of course you can serve it without straw, but if you find a straw or simply like that, this is a Surfside straw. I'll leave link in the description. Don't worry, it's no affiliate, it's just a very nice chap making these straws by hand. Safety, recyclable, fantastic glass straws. So just drop one green glass glass straw. My gosh, that's so difficult to say. Anyway, them distracting me, so yeah. But this is it, guys. This is my version of the Ghostbusters. Let's give it a try. Never fail. Never fail to impress me. Wonderful fresh vanilla, melon, with a little bit of kind of orange. I mean, the blue Curacao, you're not gonna even feel it. It's just kind of to boost this green color, and of course fresh orange and pineapple, you can't go wrong with that. But proper spring summer cocktail, which seriously you can't go wrong with it. Pretty much 99% of the people who serve this, they're gonna love it because it's so refreshing, light and juicy. And anyway, I'm off now. Enjoy whatever you do. I'll see you on Sunday for a cocktail book day with another book with a few more cocktails. Obviously longer video as usual, but I think you enjoy them. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget like, share, comment, subscribe. And of course, for everybody who's supporting me so far, thank you very much. And as always, I love you and I leave you. Bye bye now.